Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one of the best Faucet website. This is one website I make with my self, and I share with you. This is a 100% free website to claim your free Faucet into Faucet Pay, and you can earn much more Faucet Pay money from that website. Okay, and you can claim every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, an unlimited website you can find in that blog. Okay, this is the blog. This blog making by me, and this blog is 100% free, and you can earn 6 crypto right now, and next updates I make it 8 crypto, 9 crypto, because of another crypto is USDT, and I make this 6 crypto right now. In the next video and the next update I share with you with this another 3 faucet, and the next faucet website is Express Crypto. I didn't make any Express Crypto video, Express Crypto faucet right now, because this is all Faucet Pay, and the next videos I will make a Faucet Crypto too. Okay, I show you how you can work in here. Okay, right now this blog link in description. If you want to claim your faucet like BTC faucet, just click BTC faucet and you can find all the faucet in here. The first one is a Faucet Crypto website. If you don't have a Faucet Crypto web, just click it and you can making a Faucet Pay account. And the next one is Express Crypto. This is Express Crypto. If you don't have an Express Crypto account, just click that link and you can start making a Faucet Crypto website. Okay, I show you how you can use Faucet Crypto, but in this video is just I share with you the faucet. This is the all faucet available in this website. This is just a BTC faucet. Okay, the reward, the timer, the users use this faucet, and the gateway is the Faucet Pay. This is all available faucet website in this just in one website. This is all BTC faucet website. Okay, this is very fantastic. The next one is Ethereum. If you like to claim Ethereum, just click Ethereum. This is all faucet from the Ethereum. Just see, if you click one of these, the website will be loaded in the new page and show you how you can claim your free crypto with this website. Okay, and this is this much crypto available in this website. Okay, if you want to claim this one, just click it and you can start claiming with free. Okay, this is very fantastic websites I claim, and you can easily claim every 5 minutes this much Ethereum. Okay, the next one is Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Dashcoin. Any crypto you want, you can just click. You can the website will be loaded and you can start claiming your free crypto. This is very easy. If you want to claim with this one, or this one, anyone you want to, just click it, claim. The website will be loaded and you can watch, you can earn. Okay, and if you want to do to and any website, this all website is 100% free, 100% working website, and you can just easily claim your free faucet from those website. Okay, and it's very easy. Just clicking and the website will be loaded and you can easily claim your free crypto. Okay, and like this one, earn up to this much Dogecoin every 0 seconds, like this, and you can easily earn your free to free dogecoin from here. Okay, normal. This is all the winning chance. Just click create account, or you can just put your dogecoin wallet address in here. Just you can get, and you can get your reward. Okay, and this all Faucet website available in just one Faucet. More than 1,000 Faucet website available in this blog. In the next videos I will be set up this blog very fantastic for viewers, and they can easily work and easily making money from this websites. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. I make all video is free online earning money, and this is a very fantastic website. This website link available in description. You can click and come here, and you can making much more money from those websites. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.